Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury and performance with the 2026 GMC Double Decker Motorhome. A masterpiece of design and engineering, this motorhome sets new standards for both comfort and innovation. First, let's talk about the interior. GMC is known for bold design and advanced practicality, and the 2026 Double Decker Motorhome is no exception. As you step inside, you're greeted with a two-level layout that maximizes living space while maintaining elegance. The lower deck offers a spacious lounge with premium leather seating, a 75-inch flat-screen TV, a state-of-the-art surround sound system, and full-height panoramic windows for breathtaking views. The gourmet kitchen is equipped with modern appliances, including an induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, microwave oven, and even a wine cooler for those who appreciate luxury dining on the go. The upper deck houses a private master suite with a king-size bed, additional guest rooms, and a spa-inspired ensuite bathroom, ensuring unmatched comfort wherever your journey takes you. Now, moving to the exterior, the 2026 GMC Double Decker Motorhome is nothing short of iconic. With its towering two-story design, it commands attention on every road while still maintaining an aerodynamic profile that aids stability. The exterior is finished with a striking dual-tone metallic paint that enhances its premium appeal. A massive retractable awning creates the perfect outdoor lounge space, while the chrome alloy wheels and signature GMC badging reinforce its exclusivity. Built on a heavy-duty, reinforced chassis, this motorhome offers remarkable strength without compromising maneuverability. Every detail on the exterior reflects precision and durability, making it a true statement vehicle. When it comes to performance, the 2026 GMC Double Decker Motorhome is powered by a robust 8.0-liter V8 turbo diesel engine designed for both long-haul cruising and demanding terrains. Whether you're gliding down the highway or climbing steep mountain passes, this motorhome delivers confidence and power at every turn. Paired with a heavy-duty adaptive suspension and an advanced multi-gear automatic transmission, the ride remains smooth and controlled even under full load. In addition, the Double Decker features GMC's latest driver assist suite, including lane keep assist, 360-degree cameras, and adaptive cruise control, making it easier to manage a vehicle of this size. It's the perfect blend of luxury, power, and control. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 GMC Double Decker Motorhome is a flagship product in the world of luxury RVs, and its cost reflects that exclusivity. With a starting price of around $750,000, it's aimed at buyers who demand the ultimate in space, technology, and prestige. This price includes all bespoke interior options, premium performance systems, and the unique double-decker engineering that sets it apart. When you purchase this motorhome, you're not simply buying transportation, you're investing in a moving mansion designed for first-class living. To sum up, the 2026 GMC Double Decker Motorhome is a groundbreaking combination of luxury, innovation, and commanding performance. It delivers an unmatched travel experience with its two-level design, advanced technology, and powerful engineering. Whether you're planning a cross-country adventure or simply want the most luxurious home on wheels, the GMC Double Decker Motorhome stands at the very top of the market. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.